I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. We are working hard to organize our videos, set them up in the Global Math Institute website for easy access. Now here, let me thank some of our students who have been sending requests about questions which are related to Waterloo Math Contest, which is just tomorrow. So today I've taken a few questions and I hope many of these students will definitely benefit and most subscribers and viewers will love to go through these questions, right? They are really good and interesting. Here is question number 18 from February 2017 test paper. The question here is, suppose that m and n are positive integers with square root 7 plus square root 48 equals to m plus square root n. The value of m square plus n square is what? Extremely sorry for that poor printout. However, the contest is tomorrow, so I thought let me first share with you solutions and then we'll go for refill of the cartridge. So let me rewrite this. What we are given here is that m and n are positive integers. So let me say m and n are positive integers, means belongs to whole numbers, right? So that is what is given to us. And we are also given that square root of 7 plus square root of 48 is equal to m plus square root of n. What we need to find is what is m square plus n square equals to. Is that clear to you? 5 options are given to you. So I'd like you to pause the video, answer this question, and then look into my suggestions. Fine. So how do we figure this out? Well, the method here should be straightforward. We can square both sides, right? So we are given that square root of 7 plus square root of 48 is equal to m plus square root of n. So in step number 1 itself, we'll just square both sides. Now both are positive, so that means we get the right answer, right? So when you square, we get 7 plus square root of 48 on the left side, and here we get m square plus 2 times m square root n plus n. That's what you get. Okay. Now, we need to find what is m square plus n square. We get m square plus 2m square root n plus n. Now, let's rearrange this. These are the numbers outside the radical sign. So we can write like this, plus 2mn square root n. Now, that means what you could do here, let me rewrite left side also, square root of 48. See, strategic thinking is very important. We can equate these numbers as equal to 7 and this number as equal to that. So we have one equation with 2 unknowns. That means we need to assume something and we need to really work out some way to figure out the answer, right? So we can take this assumption that the numbers and the radical signs are same. So that is definitely one of the solutions. So let's see what we get. So what we get from here is that m square plus n is 7 and 2m square root n is square root 48. Perfect. Let's square this. We get 4 m square n is 48. Well, so that gives us m square n as 48 over 4, which is 12. So we get the value of m square n. We know what is m square, and we know what is n also. We need to figure out what is m square plus n square, correct? Now, how do we find the answer? Well, it's not very difficult now. So we can always say that from these two conditions, we have a square and a number. When you multiply that, you get 12. So does it make some sense? Ring some bell? M square and n is 12. And we also know that these are whole numbers. So what could be the possible combination? The factors of 12, the factors of 12 could be 4 and 3, or I can write 3 and 4. Correct? So that gives you a suggestion that this could be 2 square times 3 equals to 12. So that makes sense, correct? So one of the possible solutions, which you can definitely see from here, is that n is 3 and m is 2, right? So that gives you a clue, right? So we get from here that m equals to 2 and n equals to 3. So that is possible. Let's check. So let's check the possibility. So if I substitute m equals to 2 and n equals to 3, will this equation be satisfied? If it does, that means those are the correct values. Perfect. So when I substitute, we get 2 square plus 3, and that is 7, right? So that works for us. So that means for sure that m equals to 2 and n equals to 3. Does make sense? Clear? Now we know what m and n are. Substitute the value, right? So we get 2 square plus 3 square, right? So 2 square plus 3 square, which is 4 plus 9, and that gives you 13 as your answer, which is option E, right? So we get our answer, which is option E. Does make sense to you? So that is how you could answer the question. So there is a lot of guess and check involved. However, it is systematic, and in most of the questions of this kind, you need to work on the factors, correct? So in this contest, 2017, we have already seen 2 questions where the factors helped us to find the solution, right? So that is a critical strategy to solve questions. I hope that makes sense. Feel free to write a comment, share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. So I'll post some more questions today. Have a good look at it, and I hope you do better. All the best. Thanks for watching, and feel free to write comments and share your views along with subscribing my videos. Thank you.